Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can definitely feel the heat from here. We're probably about 100 yards away, I would say. It's the Rainforest Cafe. They have their own volcano. Pretty cool. Days of Christmas. Let me find my people. I think they're back over this way. Buddy, my sister, her husband, and her daughter, and her 3 granddaughters, all here at Disney. It's called the Disney Spring Park, something like that. They even have a Star Wars store here. If I can get the focus. They're trying to call me. That sign doesn't want to show up on camera. I'm going to get a little closer. There it is. Star Wars Trading Post. Anyway. This is B-Dog Jr. I'll take care. We over and out.